everybody, welcome to the MC platforms. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Vidya Gupta. I am the student of MC Public School, and today I want to thank my teacher to give me this golden opportunity to explain this exciting topic. And that our topic name is understanding quadrilateral. So firstly, we know that what is the quadrilateral? The simple closed curve bounded by a four line segment that is known as a quadrilateral. And if you anybody know that the means of quadrilateral, so the quartz means four, and the lateral means the sides. So if you talk about the next, the plane curves. A figure traced on a plane surface with the help of a sharp pencil without the lifting, it is known as a plane curve. Then I have given you to the example of plane curves. That is the surface is very clean, and we have to draw the any figures on a plane surface without the lifting. That I give you the examples that their structures. You have to draw any shape of the structure without the plane liftings. That the circles. Then it is the example of a plane surface. And now we talk about the types of plane curves. There are the three types of plane curves. That is the first is open curve and closed curve and simple closed curve. So firstly we talk about the open curve. Open curve. A curve whose end point does not meet. That means a curve whose end point does not meet. Then I have given the examples. That like this. The example of open curve. A curve whose starting and ending point does not meet each other than the open curves. And we talk about the next is the closed curves. A curve whose end points and starting point does meet each other, that is known as the. So firstly we know about to talk about the closed curves. A curve whose end point and starting point does meet each other, and that is known as the example of a closed curve. Then I have given to the example of a closed curve that the circles. The example of closed curves, the circles. If any student not identify which is the starting point and ending point. It's the talk about the closed curve, the example of closed curve. Now the third is the simple closed curves, and a curve which does not intersect each other, that is known as the simple closed curve. The example of closed curves, that is the triangles. The triangle, the example of a simple closed curve. If a closed curve, we talk about a curve which does not meet and intersect each other. That means that is this both are meet each other. Then we not to see that is the example of a simple closed curve. Now we talk about the interior and exterior of a closed curve. Interior and exterior of a closed curve. That means we talk about the anterior closed curves, a collection of all points which lie inside the closed curves, that is known as the interior of a closed curves. Now I give you the example of an interior of a closed curves. That is the box under the circles. And circles, if we talk about the interior, the collection of all points which lie inside the circles, that all the points must lie inside the closed curves. That we know that you say that is the interior of a closed curve. Interior of a closed curve. And we talk about the exterior of a closed curve. Exterior of a closed curve, that means the collection of all points which lie outside the closed curves. That means the example of which all points which lie outside the closed curves. We know that you say this exterior of a closed curve. Exterior of a closed curve. And that's all. Thank you.